Hi guys, we're at the first VMAX of the year and the venue has changed, so it's at RAF Kendrew now. The surface seems to be a bit better than Bruntingthorpe, but we'll do a couple of runs and see how we get on. So today we're in the F10 M5 for what may be its last run out at VMAX. We've improved the power a bit more with a new style of Eventuri filter for the intake, so it made a little bit more power on the dyno. Feels a lot quicker on the road. So we'll do a couple of runs and see how we get on. We've got a few customers here as well, like that guy over there, Mr. Dan. Tommy, there's another M6, there's Steve as well from Mr. Vanos. So it's going to be an interesting day, see how we all get on against the sort of Porsches and McLarens that are here. So yeah, let's crack on and do a run and we'll see how we get on. So we're just about to do our first run. This is a new venue, so it's RAF Kendrew. So it'll be interesting to see what the surface is like. It looks better than Bruntingthorpe. Bruntingthorpe's got a lot of sort of stone chips. This looks a lot smoother. So we'll do a starting lap, see kind of what the braking distances are like, and then we'll hook up the rest of the cameras when we get back to see Matt and do some proper runs. The sun's come out anyway, so hopefully it will get a bit drier, and also there's a tailwind for once, so that should help us. So I mean, this is hopefully the last event for the Great White, so let's see if it can crack 200.
You have time.
That was a bit slippery. Yeah, it seems to get stuck at 202.
Just sits flat at 202.
Yeah. Why would that be? run. We've already done a 195, which is top at the moment, but it's not going to stay top because the ES have a Porsche with 850, so that will probably get it. So I think we're just hitting the top speed just beforehand, so let's go again. See if the traction's in it. Again before the line, so I think that's going to be our best run, considering now it's starting to spit a little bit. Seems to accelerate a lot faster when you feel there, doesn't it, Aston?
Yeah, definitely. The pull on it is like night and day.
We'll have to do some V-box times with old filters versus new filters. I think it'll be quite telling, yeah. So we're midway through the day. We've done about 3 runs and we're hitting 195.4 every single time. So I'm not actually taking this car that fast at VMAX event, so it seems like it's stopping at 202 on the clock, which means there's like another limiter there. So we'll have to do some development, find out what that limiter is and remove it for next time. The other guys are running well as well, so they're all hitting the same kind of speeds. At the moment we are top, but I don't think we're going to stay there because Craig is here with the ES motor 991 turbo. He's running around 850 horsepower, so I expect him to break the 200 barrier sooner rather than later. But it's a good showing from the M5 so far, and I think we're 1, 2, 3 and 4 at the moment. So yeah, let's do some more runs and we'll see how the day goes. But that's the thing, until today I've never actually been able to go that fast. It shows you that the car with the new filters and everything is proper quick, because I'm on stock fuel, stock everything. It'll be interesting to do a run together just to see the acceleration, but I've got no traction.
Pardon?
I've got no traction.
Neither have I.
So do you want to like short shift to fourth? We'll roll them together and then like do 4th gear. Let's get to 4th gear and then we'll do 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yeah? Because we're going to hit the top speed before anyway. Yeah.
Your horn 3 times, and on the
On third one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
What sort of speed? About 50?
Yeah, 50 miles an hour, yeah. Okay, so we're going to go up against Tommy's car, who's also a customer of ours. He's running everything the same as us, but he has methanol and stacking JB4, so we're going to get up to 4th gear and then do a little 4th gear pull to see what happens.
Go.
But he's gone early. Cheeky monkey.
Oh!
Oh. That was lucky.
That was well lucky.
So that didn't go to plan.
It's lucky you went first.
Yeah. That could have been quite bad. Slow down early anyway.
Yeah. If we'd gone at the same time, that would have been both of us.
Ever shit myself.
Oh, we got that all on camera.
It just went round and I tried to catch it.
Yeah. Well, literally, it was like slow motion, so he started going like that, and I was like, oh, what do I do now? And I almost went that way, and then when I saw him come around more, I basically went around in that way. So it was literally like that.
But it just can't.
Tank wet for a little while, will you?
Yeah, no, I'm going to try down. Just do that.
So we're back to Evolve. Car's filthy. We've had a good day again at VMAX at the new venue. Surface is a lot better than Bruntingthorpe, as you probably heard me talk about earlier. It was a bit wet in the morning. It dried up during the end of the day, but we've discovered now, so there seems to be another limiter at 202 on the clock, which we've not been able to hit at VMAX before. So the car is definitely faster than it has been before. So we'll figure out what that limiter is and remove that. Now, we were planning on having this as the last VMAX the M5 was going to go to, because obviously we've got an F90 incoming and we were getting ready to sell this. Now, I'm half tempted to keep this a little while longer because the F90 is not due for another 2 months, and maybe develop the platform a bit further. So drop us a comment in the video. Let us know what you guys think. Should we keep it, sell it? And if we keep it, should we develop it a little bit further to see where we can go with it? Overall, it was a good day. When we left, we were second behind the ES Motor car. Tommy was behind us, and then I think Dan was behind him. There was around 8 or 9 M5s and M6s there, and 7 of them were tuned by us, and they all performed pretty well. So yeah, really happy with the day went. And look forward to the next VMAX, which is in April. So hopefully the F80 M3 will be ready for that as well, so we can take the F80, and if we've still got it, we'll take the F10 M5 as well. So remember to like the video, guys, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of our videos, you can watch them over here. If you want to watch what YouTube suggests that you might like from our videos, you can watch them over here. As always, if you haven't already, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any questions for us, please drop them in the comments below, and we will do our best to answer them for you.